Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted objects from your videos or photos using the CapCut PC. So in here, let's say I'm going to remove this emoji at the bottom, this one. So what you need to do first is duplicate or copy and paste the images and put the other one as the overlay, so put it at the top like this. And now on the overlay, click on it and go to mask, this one. And since the emoji is in a circle shape, I'm going to just use circle. So use this, and I'm going to isolate the blank space to cover the emoji. I'm going to just mask this backgrounds right here. Don't forget to adjust the position, and after that, here, okay, click on the overlay and move the video so it cover the emoji like this. Now you can easily cover, or now the emoji is hidden. So that's how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.